Are you a business owner? You are setting your business goals, but you are never achieving it. Then in this video, I'm going to decode how you can achieve your goals. Hi, my name is Amit Kumar Uparelia. I am founder of Unicorn Entrepreneurs Hub. For past more than 21 years, I have helped 4,800 plus businesses to achieve their goals. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you actually the path wherein if you are a businessman or you are a business owner or you are an entrepreneur or you are a business leader, you will be setting your business goals, you will be trying to achieve your business goals, but mostly you will not be able to make it. In this video, I am going to decode how you can achieve your all goals. So let's dive in. See, let us first understand what are goals. See, goals are not your vision, goals are not your mission. On a macro level, your goals should be attached to your vision and mission, but goals are not your vision and goals are not your mission. Goals are the small chunks of your mission that you are trying to work on. And how to achieve your goals? First thing is you need to get your vision right. Unless you have got your vision right, you will not be able to understand where you are going. So even though goal is not your vision, you must have a clear cut vision for say at least for 5 years. Next, basis on that vision where you want to reach in 5 years, you will need to set your yearly goals. Most of the times, see, we underestimate the power of 5 years and we rather try to concentrate on small chunks because we are not confident how we are going to achieve things. But if you have got your eyes set on a vision for 5 years, then you distribute it in the chunks of yearly things that you need to achieve. Then you need to break it down into quarterly goals. Again, you break it down to monthly goals. Now your real work starts. Once you break it down into your monthly goals, you again break it down into your bi-weekly goals. Once you have broken down it into your bi-weekly goals, here the magic starts to happen. Now you will be able to identify your weekly priorities. Once you identify your weekly priorities, set priorities for that week only. And once you set your priorities for that week, then you can decide on your daily priorities. See, this is how you will be able to first dissect your 5 years vision into daily actionable things. And your first focus should be on the week that you are going to achieve, whatever you are going to achieve, your weekly priorities, and your priority for the day is the thing that you should be going after. Now, how you can achieve your goals? First thing is set finite number of things that you need to get done in a day. See, we often overestimate what we can do in a day and we underestimate what we can do achieve in a year. We are used to cramp up the things. We are used to cramp up so many things in one day instead of set a finite number of things that you need to do on that number only. And for that, what you need to understand is you can do one thing at a time. Say, I'll give you a practical example. Say, my vision in next 5 years, if it is to earn $2 million a day, then I will, dissect it in to yearly goals. Say this year, what I want to do is I want to reach at $100,000 a day. So $100,000 a day for this quarter, I want to reach at $75,000 a day. This month, I want to reach at say $50,000 a day. So $50,000 a day for a month, if it is my target, then bi-weekly it is $25,000 a day. To achieve that, what would be my priorities of week? It is as simple as that. And what will be the priorities of day? So this is small chunks. See, it is said that how you can eat elephant is one bite at a time. Even you can eat elephant, but you can eat one bite at a time. So next is you need a strong accountability system. See, human mind is, it works usually in a way that if nobody is there to hold you accountable, you are never going to achieve it. There, you always need somebody to tell you that whether you have achieved something or not, what you need to do next. So you need a strong accountability system. Now you can have this accountability system with your friends, with your family, or you can have somebody in the same business line. You can have the accountability system set up this way. In my community, we have got a very strong accountability system where we push each and every member on whether they have achieved their goals or not. We help them set their goals with templates, tools, and all those things. And as you are also watching this video, I would want you to like and subscribe to this channel so that you will be able to keep getting the notifications. And as you have watched this video till now, what I want you to do is I want you to give a special gift. In the description below or above, you will find the link to a 6-step resource guide. See, in your business, if you want to achieve any goal, what you will have to do is you will have to first look at the priorities. And in your business, the priority is your business strategy, your marketing, and all those things. So if you want to work on those priorities, what you will have to do is you will have to get yourself disengaged on the ground. And if you want to get disengaged on the ground, this guide is the best guide available. Just in 6 steps, you will be able to disengage yourself from the ground. So download that guide, and what I would want you to do is I want you to put, comment in the comment box below, above, wherever it is, to let me know what was your biggest learning from this video. Till then, I'm Amit Kumar Ruparelia. Bye.